Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and water. This protects you and the machines. Turn off the circuit breaker, then verify no live voltage with a tester. Once safe, close hot and cold supply valves and open the washer. Fill hoses into a pan so they drain. After that, loosen hose clamps, remove hoses, and cap them if needed. Finally, unhook the dryer vent and unplug or disconnect the cord. Slide each appliance forward about 6 to 12 inches to gain clear working space. Now you detach hardware and move the loads. Have another person and use an appliance dolly, lift with legs, not your back. Remove any mounting brackets or stacking kits, then fully retract or remove leveling feet so the base is even. Tilt the appliance slightly onto the dolly, strap it securely, and pivot slowly through doorways. If floors are delicate, slide on cardboard or a moving pad. Make sure hoses and cords clear frames as you rotate. This prevents snags and sudden shifts. Finish by moving each appliance to its transport spot, keeping them upright to avoid drum and compressor damage. Secure doors and drum with tape, and if storing, cap water lines and insulate exposed terminals. If you plan to sell or recycle, label cords and include mounting hardware. If the unit gets stuck, stop and inspect for hidden screws, bolts, or adhesive. Don't force it. Try small tilts and gentle pries at attachment points, once freed. Repeat safe dolly and strap procedures to extract the machine cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.